In today's video, we are going to be designing a social media flyer, and the flyer is going to be a gift card flyer design right here in PixelLab. Alright, let's get started. So I like starting by changing my canvas size. The height is going to be 3400 and the width is going to be 5000. Hit OK. Then I will start by bringing my resources one after the other while working. Alright, let's do that. So this is going to be for the background. I'm going to be using this for the background. I'm just going to lock it, and I'll go ahead and add a shape, increase the radius to 50, and just do something like this. Turn on your magnet, just do something like this. I think here is OK, like this, and OK. Then lock it. Then we are going to write enjoy amazing. Then we'll work on this one. I'm going to change the font. Although I already have a font I love using, but we are going to use Poppins for this one. So I'm going to use Poppins. Enjoy amazing. Lock it, then duplicate it. Gift card. No. Then this one is going to be far bigger. It's going to be big compared to, I think we should change the font size instead. Let me use extra bold or black. I don't want it to be too bold, so let's just leave it like this. So enjoy amazing gift cards. For the first this thing here, which is amazing, I'm going to use a font. I'm still going to use Poppins, but it's not going to be something that is that heavy. I'm going to use semi bold because I want the same to be at the same length. Enjoy amazing gift cards. All right. Enjoy amazing gift cards. Deals. Then I'll duplicate this again. Gift card deals on the app. Let me start this by using capital letter. All right, so we have something like this. I think our this thing is already taking shape, so let's go ahead and bring in the other resources we have here already we need for this project. Just going to resize this a little bit. and I want it to turn like this, yes, so that I can be facing this side. Place it around here like this, and then lock it, and we still have about two things to bring in. One, two, three, let's say about three. So I decided to bring the remaining elements into our canvas all together instead of bringing them one after the other. So I'm just going to hide this one and this one. Let me work on this first. So I'm going to resize this, and I'm going to place it around here like this, something like this. Then I'm going to send it to back, then come back to your layer spire and I'll drag it like this. Yes, something like this. Let's just take it a little below like this, keep it like this, and then lock it. Then the next is for us to adjust these icons here. I'm going to erase color and I'm going to take off those black stuff there. I'm going to resize it. So let me use these grid patterns. I'll go to crop and then crop off the first part that we are going to be using like this. All right, then duplicate it, go again to crop, and this time around just drag in this box like this so that we can use the other icon. Okay, and then bring it to the same place like this. All right, so this is what we have here. Just go ahead and lock it. Let's go ahead and lock it. And the last one here that we brought, this one here, I will select it and then go to erase color, and I'm going to remove that white also, and like this. I'm going to resize it. Just let me use the eraser tool and just wipe off some stuffs. Clean this, clean here. Okay, then drop this here like this, copy again and put it here. Okay, from what I remember, I think we still have some stuff we are going to bring, but no problem with that. It's a gradual process. Then lock. So there are still, I think, about two resources that we are going to bring right here. So let's do that very quickly. Okay, we'll make use of this and drop it somewhere around here like this. And we have the last one to bring in. So I'm just going to drag this to fill in the screen. Then I'll go to erase color, and I'm just going to select this color here and drag it like this. Then let me resize this so that I can see what I'm actually doing. I'm going to turn it this way like this. Go back to erase color. I'm going to increase the tolerance again and do the same thing. Let me drag it this way like this. I want something like this, so I'm going to send it to back. Send to back, then bring it above the background that we have right here, and then reduce the opacity. Then I'm going to play on the hue so that it can be somewhat green, because our background here is actually green, so we have that green touch already. Go again to your opacity and decrease the opacity. I'm going to leave it at, let's say, 18 is fine, and then hit OK. So we have that settled. Lock. One last thing we are going to do, we'll just add another text, or let me copy one of these texts that we already have here, and I'm going to write download our app on the Play Store or on the Play or App Store. Change it to black. The text is somewhat too thick, so I'm going to use a lighter font. Yes, this is okay. Then I'm going to increase. All right. Okay, we have that already settled. So what's left is for you to add your logo and any other thing. So for final touches, I'm just going to add shadows to this Google Play icon and App Store icon to create some sense of depth, because as you see, they are just looking very flat. So I'm going to add a shape, reduce the opacity to 0, and increase the stroke to, let's say, 20. 20 is fine, and your blur reduce to 25, which is the maximum. Then close the gap like this and hit OK. So I'm going to send this here below those app icons that I have here. So something like this. So I'll do this because we want to create some sense of depth. If not, everything is going to look too rough. Okay, we have that one already. Duplicate it, bring it again to the same position as the first one, and this time around is going to be for this other icon here. all right, then lock it. And your gift card flyer design for social media is complete right now. All you just have to do, just add your name and you are done with your design. If this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to engage, drop comment, like, share. And if there's any kind of video you would like me to work on, as long as it's design, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be willing to respond. I'll be happy to work on that. All right, until next time, see you guys.